Love, it's a special day. We should celebrate and appreciate. But it's a good excuse, put our love to use, baby. I know what to do, baby.